Hi everyone. I'm Irene from Amazon Australia, and I'm here to show you how to create a shipment using Amazon Partner Career Program. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your packages are ready before you create your shipment. If your parcels are ready, go to Send to Amazon workflow and start a new shipment. Make sure your address, suburb, and postcode are correct in the ship front to ensure a successful pickup experience. Then select the SKUs that you want to send to Amazon FC and click Confirm and Continue. Step 2. Pack your products accordingly. Any individual box within a shipment weighing over 22.6 kilograms or any individual box within a shipment where the maximum cubic weight exceeds 16 kilograms or where the greatest dimension of the box exceeds 1.19 meters is not eligible to be shipped using the Amazon Partner Carrier service. Cubic weight, for the purposes of the Partner Carrier program, is box length times width times height times 100. Note that the dimension for this exercise are in meters. Step 3. Confirm your shipment details. Ship date is the date you expect to hand your inventory to a non-Amazon Partner Carrier. The date is not applicable when using Amazon Partner Carrier program. So we will just input today as if you are creating a PCP shipment, it's because your cargo is ready. After you create your shipment, our partner carrier will attempt to pick up within the next 2 business days, between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The shipping mode for PCP is a small parcel delivery. PCP allows you to create up to 30 boxes per shipment. When selecting the shipping carrier, if your postcode is eligible, and if the ASIN you selected is eligible, for example, not a dangerous good, PCP program would be automatically selected in the ESTA workflow. After completing the shipment details, click on Accept Estimated Shipping Cost and Confirm Shipping to create your shipment. Please be aware that when using Amazon Partner Carrier program, you can cancel your shipment without charge up to 1 hour after creation. Any cancellation after this will incur charges. Step 4. Print your labels. Make sure you apply the correct FBA box ID label and the correct carrier label to each box. When shipping pallets, make sure your labels are clearly visible and easily accessible. If you are using 3PL services in Australia, please ensure you notify your 3PL provider to prepare parcels and make sure that the packages are handled to the partner carrier accordingly. Step 5. You're done. You can use the tracking details to follow your shipment in Seller Central. Your shipment would be picked within the next 2 business days. What happened if your shipment was not ready when we attempted to pick up? If we couldn't collect your shipment on the first attempt, we will attempt to pick up again on the following business day. If we attempt twice and we fail to collect your shipment, you will need to cancel and create a new one. And with these 5 steps, that's how easy it is to get started with Amazon Partner Career Program. For more information, visit PCP help pages in Seller Central. Bye!